Python string interpolation. What is string interpolation? Python string interpolation. String interpolation means inserting variable values into specific places within a string. This allows us to create dynamic messages by combining text with variable values. What is string interpolation? String interpolation is a technique to insert the values of variables into specific places within a string. It means we can write a string with dynamic data or information stored in variables by following the syntax of Python. For example, if we want to display, "Good morning less than name greater than. Welcome to T.Tech," where the less than name greater than is the placeholder for the name of the user. We can do this in the following ways. Modulo, %format, fstring. Template class. Method 1. Using the modulo, %operator. Method 1. Using the modulo, %operator. The modulo %operator is used to format the string by using the format specifier or placeholder and concatenate the variables into the specific space in the string. Syntax. It has the following syntax: %, less than string 1 greater than, less than string 2 greater than. Examples. Let's see some examples below to understand it better. Example 1. Print, %. Welcome to %. Hello, T.Tech tutorials. Output. Hello, welcome to T.Tech tutorials. Example 2. Using variables. The following example demonstrates how to concatenate with variables. Defining variables name equals, world lang equals, Python. Using modulo %operator. Print, hello %. This is a % tutorial. Name, lang. Output. Hello world. This is a Python tutorial. Explanation. In the example above, it allows us to insert variable values into a string when displaying the result. Example 3. Using the modulo % with a dictionary. The following example demonstrates how to use the modulo % with a dictionary. Defining variables name equals, world lang equals, Python. Using the modulo %operator with a dictionary. Print, hello name, s. This is a lang, s tutorial. Name, lang. Output. Hello world. This is a Python tutorial. Explanation. In the above example, we have taken two variables and assigned it some values. These values are used to display the output by creating a dictionary of it. Method 2. Using the str format. Method 2. Using the str format. The str format function works on a string object and a pair of curly braces. The string object in the format function is substituted in place of a pair of curly braces into a string. We can pass any value inside a string object or a placeholder and concatenate with the string passed as parameters into the format function. Syntax. It has the following syntax: format, object1, object2. Examples. Let's see some examples to understand it better. Example 1. Using single curly braces and an object. The following example demonstrates how to use single curly braces and an object in a string. Python object name equals, T.Tech. Use of format function. Print, hello, format, name. Output. Hello, T.Tech. Explanation. In the above example, it indicates how to concatenate a single object with a string by using single curly braces. Example 2. Using two or more curly braces and objects. The following example demonstrates how to use two or more curly braces and objects in a string. Define variables or Python objects name equals, world lang equals, Python. Concatenated string. Print, hello, name. This is, lang, format, name equals name, lang equals lang. Output. Hello world. This is Python. Explanation. The above example shows how to concatenate multiple objects with a string by using multiple curly braces. Method 3. Using fstring. Method 3. Using fstring. The fstring means formatted string. It allows us to write a Python object variable or placeholder directly within the string inside curly braces. It was introduced in Python 3.6. Syntax. It has the following syntax: text, Object 1, text, Object 2, text. Examples. Let's see some examples to understand it better. Example 1. Insert object directly into the string. The following example demonstrates how to insert an object directly into the string. Hash defining variables name equals, world lang equals, Python. Hash insert objects directly into the string. Print, f, hello, name. This is a, lang, tutorial. Output. Hello world. This is a Python tutorial. Example 2. Perform mathematical operations directly inside the curly braces within a string. The following example demonstrates how to perform mathematical operations directly inside the curly braces within a string. Hash defining variables num1 equals 34 num2 equals 50. Hash perform mathematical operations. Print, f. The sum of num1 and num2 is num1 plus num2. Output. The sum of 34 and 50 is 84. That's all for this video. Join our WhatsApp channel and developer community channel on WhatsApp to get knowledge about latest technology and stay updated in community channel. Links in the description.